good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are around the world. Welcome to another beautiful episode from Fledgy Age. And we are here to discuss plants, plant medicines, and flowers, and also how beneficial they are to us. Today we're going to be discussing the Cuban oregano, also known as the Spanish thyme and the Indian borage. This has a very unique aroma and makes it very good when you put it in your stews. You use it to season your meat, you use it to do everything stew that you have at home. But note that the Cuban oregano could also be brewed into tea. It has several benefits aside its culinary benefits. It has anti-inflammatory properties, it has antimicrobial properties, it has benefits for the digestive system, it is good for our respiratory system, and it's also good for all kinds of skin diseases, especially the ones that come about as a result of bacteria. And so any bacteria that causes acne, this is a beautiful thing for it. We say it has anti-inflammatory property because of compounds that are found in this. It helps you fight all kinds of swellings and inflammation in your body. It also fights all kinds of harmful bacterial and other kinds of microorganisms in the body. Also suffering from bloating. There are some of us when we eat, our tummy feels bloated. If you have any of this kind of symptom, we are saying that this is the plant for you. If you are able to brew it into a tea or take some of the leaves, wash it well and take a bite on it, I tell you that this your indigestion, this your bloating are all going to be a thing of the past. We're talking about something that actually helps the intestine, then of course we are looking at the Cuban oregano because it improves digestion and it improves all kinds of gastrointestinal issues. If you have cold, it has been proven that traditionally this has been used in some time past to solve these coughs and colds. So if you have any cold or cough, because of its expectorant property that it has, it is able to expel mucus of the system, and so it will make you mucus free if you have cold and cough. And because of its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, it is also very good for all kinds of skin blemishes. If you have rashes on your skin and you don't know where it came from, you can give it a try on the skin. If you have any acne, you can make it into a poultice and apply it onto your face sometime before you go and take your shower. Believe me, you're going to love the aroma that emanates from it, and you're going to get accustomed and used to it so much that you wouldn't want to stop using this Cuban oregano. I'm going to show you how you can make your Cuban oregano tea in subsequent videos. If you like what you saw, please do well to give us thumbs up. If you have any question on the Cuban oregano, let us read your comments in the comment section. We look forward to reading from you. We love you, and we say that share to other people to also come and subscribe to the channel. Send it across to people who don't have it. Talk to them about Fledgy Age so that we can all learn together. We hope to see you in our next episode when we bring you other things that has to do with plants, plant medicine, and how we can take care of ourselves with plants and flowers around us. My name is Nine, and I love you all and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.